Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to paint perfect clouds. For this I am taking a canvas sheet. You can also take a thick paper or even the canvas board. I am painting on it using dark grey acrylic color. Now it's completely dry, and now I'm going to draw the clouds using pencil first. I'm going to use this flat brush to paint the clouds. Since the background is a dark color, if we directly start painting the clouds, then they won't be visible. So first I'm going to give a coat using white acrylic color. I just separated these two clouds. So first I'm taking blue and just shade it like this. You don't need to shade it completely, leave a little gap and shade. I'm doing the same for one more cloud. Now I already washed the brush and now I dipped it in white acrylic color. And I am just shading it on top. Little bit more white. And now on the bottom using little black. I'm shading it little more. You can also use a finger for shading as I am showing you now. And now I am taking pink color and doing the same thing. You can take any two contrast colors and do this. Now I dipped one brush in white acrylic color and in water, and I am just splashing it like this. I'm just wiping it using a damp cloth on top of the clouds. And now I'm making a few stars. This is just the addition symbol. And now it's ready. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet by clicking on the subscribe button, then click on the bell button and select all options. Do not forget to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. See you next time with a great video. Bye!